red color, yellow color, green color, black color, brown color, and blue color. It's now you draw A and use red color. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat. Kids, now you draw D and use yellow color. T for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat. Kids, now you draw H and use green color. H for helicopter, I for ice cream, J for joker. Kids, now you draw K and use black color. K for king, L for lion, M for moon, N for nose. Kids, now you draw O and use brown color. O for octopus, P for parrot, Q for queen. Kids, now you draw R and use blue color. R for rose, S for sun, T for teacher, U for umbrella. Kids, now you draw V and use red color. V for van, W for whale, X for xylophone, Y for yo-yo, and Z for zebra. Yellow color, light green color, black color, dark green color, red color, sky blue color, orange color, brown color, purple color, light pink color, dark pink color, and blue color. It's now you draw one and use brown color. One, two, three, 4, 5. Kids, now you draw 6 and use sky blue color. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kids, now you draw 11 and use orange color. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Kids, now you draw 16 and use dark green color. 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.